Finding the best franchises to own for beginners in 2024 can be both exciting and challenging. In this video, we'll explore key trends, benefits, and strategies to help you choose the perfect franchise opportunity. 2024 presents a promising landscape for new franchise owners. With a recovering economy and a growing focus on sustainability, franchising offers a unique path to business ownership with the backing of a proven model. For beginners, this means access to franchises with low initial investment, comprehensive training, strong brand recognition, and scalable business models. These factors can make the transition into entrepreneurship smoother and more successful. Home-based franchises are especially appealing in 2024 due to their flexibility and cost-effectiveness. They allow you to operate from home, eliminating the need for expensive commercial space. A niche franchise like the Deer Spray franchise offers specialized services that cater to eco-conscious consumers. With less competition and growing awareness of environmental issues, such franchises are poised for significant growth. Choosing the right franchise involves aligning your interests, ensuring access to robust support, and evaluating long-term growth potential. The best franchises to own for beginners in 2024 are those that fit current market trends and resonate with your vision for the future.